Hello children, how are you all today? Welcome back. Children, today I am going to introduce you letter G. Yes, letter G. But before we start our class, let's revise previous letters. Yes, will you revise with me? Yes, okay, let's start. Children, A says A, B says B, C says K, D says da, E says eh, F says F says. So children, today we are going to learn about letter G. Yes, after F, G comes. Which letter comes? After F, G comes. So in this video, we are going to learn about letter G. So let's go for it. Yes. Children, which letter is this? Yes, this is letter G. This is letter G. Yes, this is Mama G and this is Baby G. This is Mama G and this is Baby G. Yes, the children, the sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter G is G. Repeat after me. G. 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 Yes, the sound of letter G is G. Okay? Children, I have some pictures which starts from letter G. Okay? Which starts from letter G. Yes. So look at the board. Yes, children, G is for grass. G, G, grass. G is for grass. G, G, grass. G is for gift. G, G, gift. G is for gift. G, G, gift. चिल्ड्रन, जब आपका बर्थडे होता है तब आपको गिफ्ट मिलता है ना? यस, तब आपको क्या मिलता है? गिफ्ट मिलता है मम्मा से, पापा से एंड आपके फ्रेंड से भी मिलता है. यस, सो जी इज फॉर गिफ्ट. ग ग गिफ्ट. यस, जी इज फॉर गेट. ग ग गेट. जी इज फॉर गेट. ग ग गेट. यस, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज G is for grapes. G, G, grapes. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes. Yes. G is for glass. G, G, glass. G is for glass. G, G, glass. Yes. Children, let's revise one more time. Okay. G is for grass. G, G, grass. G is for gift. G, G, gift. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes. G is for gate. G, G, gate. G is for glass. G, G, glass. Yes. Children, now we will do finger writing. Yes, will you do with me? Yes. Okay. Children, first you have to make C and go up and make a small sleeping line and go down with standing line. It makes letter G. Yes. First you have to make a C and go up. Make a sleeping line and go down with standing line. It makes letter G. Yes, this is letter G. Now, children, I have a rhyme with letter G. Will you sing with me? Yes? Okay, let's start. Let's learn the G sound. Let's learn the G sound. G, G, G. G, G, G. Yes, children, today we are going to learn letter G. Yes, we are learning letter G. G is for green, G, G, green. G is for green, G, G, green. G is for green, G, G, green. G is for glass, G, G, glass. G is for glass, G, G, glass. G is for golden, G, G, golden. G is for golden, G, G, golden. G is for glue, G, G, glue. G is for glue, G, G, glue. G is for guitar, guitar. G is for guitar. Guitar. G is for guitar. Guitar. G is for gun. G is for gun. Gun. Yes, good job, children. How was the rhyme? Yes. You like it? Yes. Okay. Now, children, let's practice letter G. How to write letter G in your notebook. Yes. So, look at the blackboard. Children, first you have to make a curved line and go up to red line and make a sleeping line, small sleeping line, and again you go down with standing line. It makes letter G. Yes, it makes letter G. Once again, first you have to make curved line, go up to red line and make a sleeping line and go down with standing line. Yes. One more time. Make a curve. Go up with a standing line up to red line and make a sleeping line and go down. So it makes letter G. Yes, it makes letter G. Once again, curve line. Go up to red line. Make a sleeping line and go down with a standing line. It makes letter G. Let's practice one more time, okay? Curve line. Go up. Sleeping line. Go down with standing line. Make a curve. Go up. Make a sleeping line and go down. It makes letter G. Once again, make a curve. Go up to red line, sleeping line and go down. Once again, make a curve. Standing line, up to red line. Make a sleeping line, small sleeping line, then standing line up to red line. It makes letter G. Yes, which letter is this? This is letter G. Yes, this is letter G. So children, you must practice this letter at your home. So keep practicing, keep learning, have fun. Bye-bye. See you in next video.